Okay, hi guys. I thought this time around I'd make a slightly different video. I've started getting these HelloFresh things, it's called. This is the brand. It's a delivery service that sends you ready-made, well not ready-made, but packaged ingredients and stuff, and then they give you this so basically what I'm making is this, and all you need, they give you these ingredients, and it's for someone like me who hates cooking and can't be fucked really shopping for the items. This is really great, and see, it's very simple, and I would not be able to make this by myself without this. It makes everything so easy. Sorry about that. I apologise for any loud noises. Well, yeah, they kind of look like that. And it helps you eat healthily, which I need to do because I have takeaway quite a lot. But yeah, I would never be eating this kind of food. Very helpful. So these are going to be caramelized, apparently. See how that goes. Yeah, I think we don't need the middle of it. So, that's that bit done. Slice the pear into 1 centimetre wedges. Cut the tomato into 1 centimetre chunks. And in a large bowl, combine the balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Yeah. 1 centimetre chunks. I like tomatoes. I apologise in advance for any loud chopping noises. I'm trying to make this as peaceful as possible. Oh, sorry, you can just see my hand. As you can see, I had to buy petrol, which I'm kind of furious. The price of petrol right now is ridiculous. Just move the camera a bit. Okay, it's not looking that great. 1 centimetre chunks, I'm guessing they mean cubes. knife is very blunt. In a large bowl. Okay, so I need balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Don't exactly have balsamic vinegar, but what I do have is white vinegar. And I've already cut myself, so balsamic, 1 tablespoon, yes. In large bulk, so I'm gonna use red wine vinegar, and we are going to need 1 tablespoon, I guess, or just let me double check. Doesn't say. Balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon. So I guess that's 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Olive oil, 1, same. Tablespoon. Okay, this should be the fun part. Tear or cut. Sorry, I'm getting used to this. Tear or cut the Bake at Home chia batter into 1 centimeter cubes. I'm just going to tear it up. Transfer to the oven tray lined with baking powder and drizzle with olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and toss to coat. Bake on the top rack for 5 to 7 minutes. Well, the croutons, so these are meant to be croutons. They're not, they're more like 5 centimeter chunks. Okay, so we've got to transfer the croutons to an oven tray lined with baking paper. I'm just using paper bags that haven't used up, and drizzle with olive oil. So the croutons, they're meant to be 1 centimeter, but I've made them a bit bigger. Maybe they will shrink. But I'm just saying, yeah, the HelloFresh is very, very good in that it works out cheaper than going to the shops. And if you're like me, you get tired after a long day and you just don't want to think too much. If you've got the ingredients already, I'm guessing they've got this around the world. I think this is an Australian company, but I'm not 100% sure. And drizzle with olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. So I better do this quicker, this is taking too long. And these are not 1 centimetre as you can see. But I guess they'll get pulverised in the process. Drizzle with olive oil. I can't do every individual one. So I'm going to put this in the oven. Let's see how that for 5 to 7 minutes. While the croutons are baking, place the chicken breast between 2 sheets of baking paper and pound with a meat mallet or rolling pin until 1 centimetre thick. In a large bowl, combine with the salt, plain flour. I don't remember them saying plain flour. Sweet mustard spice blend and a pinch of pepper. Add the chicken to the bowl and toss to coat in the mixture. As you can see, here's Mr. Chicken. Sounds like that Here's Johnny's song. Bam, 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 she bam, 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 she bam, 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 she bam, 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 bam. Here's Johnny. Here's Johnny. Okay. So, while the croutons are baking, place the chicken breast between. We've done that. In a large bowl, combine the salt, plain flour, tablespoon of plain flour, which is, I'm guesstimating, it's like that. I always need more flour than. So there's a pinch of salt. Yeah. Sweet mustard spice. Put that in there. I really want to get the chicken part in because that's going to sound beautiful. Pinch of pepper. Pinch of pepper. My battery's about to bite the dust, so plonk that in. Add the chicken to the bowl and toss to coat in the mixture. Now this is Flavor Country. It's going to sound beautiful, hopefully. I'm just going to shut up now and let the chicken sound bless your ears. Doesn't really look like, didn't really coat it in too much. You need more. Plain flour, sweet mustard spice blend. Well, it didn't really work because it's all over the place. As you can see, I'm not much of a cook. flour didn't. We need more flour. God damn it. My fingers are filthy. Just have a bit more flour. Yeah. Nice and spicy. Okay, doesn't look anything like the actual recipe. Because the fucking mustard didn't stick to the chicken. God damn it. That's really aggravating. In a large frying pan, melt the butter over high heat. Once melted, add the pear. Okay, guys, I better stop recording because I'm going to burn the house down. This is turning into a disaster. I assure you this will be better if I don't try and record as well. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I assure you the chicken turns out good. Bye.